Hey everyone, I'm back. Two videos in 1 week. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I'm here to show you my 4 favorite things to do on Google Sheets. Now that they have the updates and now you can insert images into the cells. So I really like doing that. So one of my favorite things is, of course, inserting my images into cells. So I would just go to insert image, image and cell, and then let's just search um, the toll. Okay, so here's a toll, not what we want, but it'll work for our purposes today. So you would click on select and then insert that image right there. Okay, and it's little, so it works best with little images. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that now, and I'm going to undo because I want that data there. So also another cool thing, the second thing that you can do that's really cool is you can just insert a chart right away. So right here. So if you click your D column and notice how there's all those numbers and dollar amounts there, you would go right up here to insert chart. And it defaults to a circle chart if you have certain data in there. So a total amount of money owed, and it gives you, and it kind of color codes your chart for you, which I think is pretty cool, especially if you need data quick. You don't have to fuss with entering the data yourself because you already added that data. So that's pretty exciting and something that I really like to do. So, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Okay, and undo whatever I did there. There we go. All right. Another one of my things is to insert rows. So let's say you're like, oh, darn it, I was going to insert this other kid's book order. So all you need to do is go to insert row, and it adds something in the middle of everything else. And what's really cool about it is I have some formulas down here. It automatically updates those formulas to what you have. And I know that everyone probably knows how to do that, but I find it fascinating and it's really cool. So, and if you don't want that row there, if you're like, oh my gosh, that kid can't go anymore, then you will click on delete row. And my fourth thing is insert a line graph right into the cell. So if you click here and you use your function, you can if you use your function, you can function your so you put the equal sign there, then you type in sparkline, then whatever column you're doing, so F2, whatever cells you want to calculate, to F25, and hit enter, and then it shows you the line. And with other formulas, you can do other charts too. And a bonus is you can make QR codes in these cells. So it's really awesome. Google Sheets has a lot to offer, and I love it since they updated it.